Good evening, friends. Today I would be taking you through a different part wherein we are going to discuss about different browsers which are available for us to compile, interpret, and run the Python codes that we are going to use it for the research analysis. Some of them are default ones, so we need to understand as to how these browsers are helping us and whether it is necessary for me to download these software also or not. Now these browsers I have taken, I myself have gone through. Some of them are absolutely free of source and they are available to us and we can use them, even let it be on a computer or a laptop, desktop, or even over the mobile phone also. I started doing it and I was amazed to find out that yes, if I want to analyze something and I know the coding, the entire thing as to how to proceed further with the analysis, I'm able to get the results and view them over my cell phone itself. So there is no need for me to run the entire program over the computer or the laptop. If you're comfortable with the tablets and the Wi-Fi, I should say the phones that we have got, the smartphones as well as the Android, you are able to use Python and run the code for your own analysis. Now here we will see that each and every browser has different features. Now, what I mean to say has got a different feature in the sense that the entire frame where you are able to work yourself is very different from browser to browser. This means that there will be changes and differences in the working environment of Python also. However, I have seen that they are very user friendly, and trust me, if you know how to do it and just with control enter, you are able to run your program and you are able to do it. Now that is the fun part, and I really like this amazing part of Python and the software, the browsers which are available for us to run our own code. So these are some of them. I have identified around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and all of them, my favorite one definitely will be the first one, that is https collab.research.google.com. It's an amazing thing, and in most of these things I did not download the software. I mean, on one computer I'm doing it separately to just check it out with my own skills as to see if I'm able to develop and come up with something. However, on the other side, I'm able to use this particular browser, and it was fantastic results. I mean, I don't have to use the software to be downloaded and then take care of the program for my own research. I'm able to do it with this one. Then we have got the second one. I'll showcase to you each one of them separately as we are proceeding further in the playlist, also the videos that are there. However, as I told you, my favorite one is the first one, and I really like it. It's very user friendly, and the only thing that you have to know is to run the program is control enter, and you are able to get the output also. So input, that is the coding where you're going to key whatever thing that you want to analyze it, that is present, and control enter, you get the output also immediately. Along with, in case there are certain errors which we will see, it will be highlighted and they would be even pinpointing to you that yes, this is where the error is. So on the spot you can correct it. They will be giving you the syntax wherein the error can be debugged and you can rectify your own error, and you are able to rerun the entire program itself. So that is the fun. Now, best online compilers. Now, apart, those are the browsers. However, we have got even the compilers also, and I have checked out. First one is PyCharm. I'm sorry, here A is missing in the second column. It's a paid one. However, the results are fantastic. Per user, they are charging out here in order to develop the entire coding and to get the results. So if you are into analysis and you think that yes, I need to use this particular platform for myself, you need to purchase this one. However, we have got Spider. Yes, it's open source. No, just see, I haven't yet hunted for all the open sources. I just randomly picked up the ones that are user friendly for us, and whether they are open source or not. So you can see all by yourself. Spider, it's open source. PyDev, that is Python developer, it is open source. Idle is open source. Wing, it's paid one. So two paid ones I have seen, that is PyCharm and Wing. Eric is again open source. Rodeo is open source. Thorny is again open source. So you see, you have got, and I'll be showcasing one after the other whenever I get the time for certain things, because first I have to complete with the analysis part, which is more important from the research point of view. That will be done, and then I would be showcasing even these things. So I was thinking that yes, the entire module of mine on Python can be divided into programming and coding on one side, on the other side different versions and the sources which are available for us to run code and to get the results that we are looking for. And the third part would be the research oriented, and trust me, there's so much of research work that you can do it. It's an excellent, amazing, and awesome journey, I should say. And I really like it that I've started forgetting about everything else. I'm just glued, I'm just addicted, I'm becoming addicted to it, more and more, so that I can run and I can get my own analysis with fantastic results also side by side. So I think some of you should start even working on these things and get the results for yourself. So I think I'm going to end here, and let me come up with yet another one more into the programming and how to proceed further with the language itself. Till then, thanks. Bye.